Now I'm going to introduce you to another problem which banks face. See, again we go back to accounts. Yellow हो गया ये. Correct. यहाँ पे what will come here? Liabilities, assets. What is liquid? Correct. What do we write here? Loans and advances and investment. Okay. What do we write here? Capital and deposits mainly. Expenditure and income was in income statement. This is balance sheet. This is all capital items. Correct. Now tell me, banks uses which money to give where? Does it happen like this or does it happen like this? Banks use which money to give where? From deposits to loans and advances, it will get deposits, it will give loans. Correct. Now very simple. So this is right. Correct. From deposit, it will give loans. Now, what are the different types of deposits you know? What are the different types of deposits you know? Savings, current, and fixed, and one more, just one more, man ki khushi ke liye. Have you heard of something called as recurring deposit, RD? Correct. Savings and current are both collectively called dash. Demand deposits. These are called time deposits because these mature after a certain lapse of time, 1 year, 2 year. On an average, andaz, what would be the average maturity of demand deposits? It is almost zero because you can withdraw it anytime. Correct. It is not locked in. Correct. Yes or no? So I will write it as average. You withdraw, chalo, assuming you withdraw once a month. So let's say average maturity is 1 month. What is the average maturity of fixed deposit and recurring deposit? Average fixed deposit कितना होता है? 5 years. Normally people keep for 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, and some people keep for 7 years also. So you have 7 years. Correct. So bank is thinking, I have funds in my hand, safe funds for 7 years in this case and around 1 month in this case because I will have to keep money for withdrawal purposes in this account. Yes or no? What is the average maturity of loan which banks gives? What are the different types of loans? Common loans. Housing, education, personal, and just one more, car. ठीक है, common loans. ठीक है, business loans also, you can write business, commercial loans. What do you think is the maturity of this? 10, 15, 20 years. I can write 15 years to be on the safe side. 15 years तो होता ही है, housing loan है. And that is how they are able to give less interest because the maturity is high. They are able to take less interest because, so let's say 15 years. Car loan also can go 5 years average. Personal loan can go up to 3 years. Education loan can also go up to 15 years because medical education and all abroad, especially abroad if you are going. So what happened in COVID was many people had taken loans and they had paid the fees to foreign institutions and then lockdown happened in India in everywhere, not only in India. The problem was ki now what to do because loan was started, interest was started, but education is not started. Very, very difficult times. Business loan also I can say 5 years roughly. Yes or no? What is the average of this? Can I say average is 10 to 12 years average? And iska average, can I say it is around 3 years average of everything because this is hardly anything and this is 7 years. So average I can bring it to 3 years. So can I say कि deposits have an average maturity of approximately 3 years, but advances have an average maturity of approximately 10 to 12 years, right? Do you understand what problem banks are facing? Banks are getting money, but they have to give it back within 3 years on an average. Banks are giving money as loans, but they have to take it back within 10, 12 years. They will get it back within 10, 12 years minimum. Correct? Is there a problem here? Because 3 years may you have to give it back and you will get it back after 12 years. Tenure of deposits is always lesser than tenure of loans, yes or no? This particular problem. So can I say there is a mismatch between the maturities of loans, advances and deposits? You only tell me yes or no, everyone. That is there. But how will bank give out as loan if bank has to repay it back in 3 years? because this goes from here only. Interest is there, no doubt. That is how banks are making profit. Can I say there is a mismatch between the maturities of deposits and loans? Yes or no? Correct. This particular concept is called as asset liability mismatch, ALM. Asset liability mismatch. So whenever you read in papers, banks face the problem of asset liability mismatch, we mean this. Asset liability mismatch. Very important keyword is asset liability mismatch. Mismatch between maturities or differences between maturities of deposits and advances. So in this case, answer, please answer. In this case, what do we mean by asset? In this case, what do we mean by asset? Loan. In this case, what do we mean by liability? Deposit. Majority में जो difference, whatever the difference between both maturities, it is called as asset liability mismatch. Sir, then what is the solution for this? Correct.